Riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho ma keto nyong'ong' e weche mag yiero kod ratich oganda ELOG ogolo ripot e yiero madundo manyota kod duol matayo yiero pacho ka IEBC. Lipod ELOG olero ni yiero mar IEBC e kuonde chung' od buche moko nyo obedo kod lweny kaka Kasipul, Mbeere North kod Malava, kanyakla kod Magarini, ka wards kaka Kariobangi North, Akisa East, Narok Town kod Machakos bende nyo Tulo nene. Kata kamano lipodno bende oyango ni kuonde mamoko nyoro Tulo ok onene kaka Ugunja e kind mamoko. Lipodno bende oyango ni maromo 48% mag kuonde luto ombulu nyo olor e wang' sa kendo weyo ji mamoko oko e laini. Jakom ELOG Victor Nyongesa olero ni nyoro giyango kwan mapiny mar joluto ombulu e yiero madundo.
Incidents involving political actors and super agents. We noted that there were high-profile political actors disrupted polling in isolated cases, for example, in Machakos and Embu. One incident involved a media briefing near a polling center that caused commotion among supporters, while another involved a political figure confronting an agent and addressing the media from inside a polling station, undermining the neutrality of the polling environment.
It's early days. This is the first test for the new commission which has come into office. It's like being thrown into the deep end, but they have a secretariat which is very experienced, which has been there. I think they did in terms of the technical aspects of the elections, based on the findings that we have, they did well. The technical aspects of the elections. It is the political environment around the elections which was not mitigated. And that is where we are talking about bringing in the issue of the police, the political parties who are part of this environment, and what the IBC also ought to do to ensure that such activities, such violence, such disturbances do not occur during elections.